I still can't believe you went. What are you thinking? Going to that place? Wish you hadn't got yourself into this mess, but you did. You can't run forever. I know you were just trying to do right by me, so I need you to do what's right by us. Now, please, Kaz. I am so tired of fighting. I just want it to be over. I want you home. The girls want you home, but if you don't deal with this, then we are done for good. I love you. But I won't wait forever. Suze.
Jesus, Suze.
Girls made you a Christmas card.
Fuck. Merry fucking Christmas.
Kaz, Roy's finishing up breakfast if you want something.
I'll be there in a minute, Trots.
Aye, well, dinna wait too long or someone will be off with it.
Aye. All right. Sorry, girls. Aye, quite right, Trots. State of this place. Well, Davy must have gone back on shore last night.
All right, Kaz.
I'm all right. What are you doing up there?
Pipe's leaking. If it's not one thing, it's the other. See this whole rig? It's a pile of shite. It's falling apart. And we've only just started drilling. Fucking Cadal. And fucking Rennick cutting corners.
Aye.
Speaking of, you are in the shite, wee man. Rennick got a letter this morning from the mainland and he's been up to high dough ever since. Heard he's gunning for you.
Well, that's just brilliant.
Christ, I need a smoke. Can't find my lighter anywhere.
Take mine. I don't need it anymore, honestly.
You're a fucking lifesaver.
I'm going to get breakfast.
All right. I'll see you for darts tonight. We'll put a wee picture of Rennick up on the board for you.
Sounds like a plan. See ya. Doesn't he surprise me? Prick. Well, this is cosy. Tight bastards.
Look, there's no escaping. There's going to be a dozen more rigs up here by the end of next year because they pricks in Westminster want their grubby wee hands on Scotland's oil.
Christ, none of this again.
The bear is already down to the bare bones, and Cadal are just going to make more cuts to get other rigs on the go. If we don't take industrial action soon, this place...
Oh, come on!
If we don't take industrial action soon, this place will be even more of a death trap than it already is.
He's got a point though, Gibbo. We're down to a skeleton crew in the pontoons and it's ropey as fuck down there.
Workers of the world unite! What do you think, Kaz?
I don't know. Just here to fix the lecky.
What do you think will be keeping the lights on if this place falls apart?
That's coal, you numpty.
You alright, Roy?
Kaz, me old mucker. I do.
McClary! To my office. That means now, not as soon as you're ready. Now!
The sweet sound of Davy Rennick.
You think it's the Paulus?
Can't be surprised, Kaz. You heard from Suze?
She's talking about divorce.
Oh, I'm sorry, Kaz. She'll come around.
Not if I get the jail, she won't.
Well, maybe you could have considered that while you were battering Billy Chamberlain's head in.
Cunt slagged off Susie, had it coming.
And there he is. Floats like a butterfly, stings like a bee, and swears like the devil himself. Listen, mate, even if it is the police, maybe it's best to just go back and face it, yeah?
Ugh, I don't know, Roy. I'm fucking scunnert with the whole thing.
The Lord loves you, mate, no matter what. And I'm pretty sure Suze does too.
That's all clear for you now, Roy.
Lovely job, thanks, Dobby.
Oh, Trot says he's left your insulin in your cabin.
Oh, bless his little communist socks. Muchly appreciated. Ta. Remember, life is like football. It's not over.
Until the final whistle. Aye. You're a Barnsley fan, so you're pretty much fucked from the off, right?
Oh, I will see you hang for that, McCleary. Off you trot, lad, before his nibs blows a gasket.
Head up and see what the score is. Am I alright to get by, pal?
It's all right. You have to go around, Kaz.
After missing us, you're not exactly small.
Oh, aye, you're a smart one. Play it on the deck, eh? Nice and easy. Go and smash it!
Need a hand there, fellas?
McCleary! No, I can scalp in this here all by myself. No, we're all right. Cheers, though.
Fair enough.
You want to transfer here, McCleary? You'd give me less lip.
No, he loves it.
Cleary! My office! Don't make me ask again!
In a better mood today, is he?
He'll be alright, Kaz. You get used to it. We all get a turn. Try not to punch him.
Haha, no promises.
Give me a minute to check! It is fair again, I can see from here! Drill crew will love that! Rennick will love it even more! You're telling him! I told him last time. This one's all yours.
All right, Roper, what's the problem? Don't usually see you down here.
Drill's acting up this morning. Got the crew running around like blue-ass flies, but they cannot make head or tail of it.
Is that yous behind schedule then?
Oh, not yet. And not if the gods are smiling on us.
So more fucked than ever.
Not as fucked as you by the sounds of it. Look, you better get up there. The bossman sounds raging.
Well, how long will that take? Quarters in, but might be 2-3 weeks before it's shipped, like. I can patch it, but we'll need to keep an eye. Maybe say a prayer and all. Seems like what you do knows.
Stay on the path, mate. A cargo hoist will crush you if you get close.
Jesus, Scooby! You gave me a heart attack.
Oh, sorry, mate. Can I ask a wee favour?
What do you need, Scoop?
Ah, could you do me a quick fix on the crew lift fuse box while you're down there?
Aye, no bother.
Oh, you're a lifesaver, mate. And don't let the big man get you down, alright?
Thanks, pal.